channel and today I'm back with a new video and आज मैं गाड़ी से वीडियो कर रहा हूँ. So guys, what I have with me today is a Tosita Thepla, Methi Thepla right here with me. So I was very hungry and I wanted to eat something, so I found this quick snack in D-Mart. So I picked it up. So today we are going to review Tosita Methi Thepla. So starting off with the packaging, it comes packaged in this plastic pouch right here with the Tosita branding on top. It says Methi Thepla on it and the illustration of the Methi Thepla has been shown on it. It says no garlic and ginger, made with mustard oil, and it also gives you green chili pickle inside this. So it contains 5 theplas. So it's mentioned here it contains 5 theplas. And the illustration of the thepla is shown here. Moving on to the back of the pack, guys. Back of the pack, we can see again Tosita Bakery Methi Thepla. Ingredients of this thepla are whole wheat flour, which is 56% atta, mustard oil, spice and condiments, refined sugar, white sesame, edible common salt, fenugreek, which is methi again, and then the green chili pickle, which is made of green chili 62.5%. Mustard oil and mustard seed and edible common salt, turmeric, asafoetida, vinegar. Net quantity of this pack is 100 grams. You get 5 theplas in it. Shelf life is of like 2 days that you get. And MRP of the product is rupees 38. So guys, let's go ahead and open this pack and do a quick taste test of the Tosita Thepla. So guys, I have opened the pack and here is the thepla. Let's look at the thepla. Theplas are nice and soft and small in size but very flavorful. You get a very good flavor of mustard oil and the fenugreek in it. And now we are going to do a quick taste test of the thepla. Theplas seem very fresh and soft. Amazing. Nice taste, nice and soft. I would recommend heating it and having it. But right now I'm in the car, so I'm just having it plain, but it still tastes nice. So guys, if you all like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing reviews.